If you are a developer, a software developer or web developer, there is a very helpful application for you. This is a great HTTP response code reference. This is offline. It needs no internet and it has a lot of features. If you read about it here, search, learn, practice, HTTP response or status codes, and there is also a quiz inside of this application. To install this application on your Android device, go to Play Store and then there search for HTTP response code, HTTP response code, and the first one that pops up is the application that you need. Click on it and then install it. I have installed this application on my Android device and I use it every day. It is very useful and it is a great Android application for web developers and software developers.